Hello, you all. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm Shivani and I'm vlogging today. So, okay, this is a very personal video which I am going to share with you right now. It's a personal story. I woke up today at about 7:32 a.m. and I've slept yesterday around 1:30 or 2 a.m. I was watching Exo Kitty. Today is 14th of April and right now I cannot function. When I say I cannot function, I woke up, I was like all sweaty because of the summers. My room is very hot. My fan setting was on the lower side because the regulator part of the switchboard has been heating up a lot. So I decided to put on low and sleep, and I did sleep well, like without any khabar, basically, which means I was having an uninterrupted sleep. So I do not know what has happened. But when I woke up, I was all sweaty. So I immediately freshened up, and to do that step, I was sitting in bed and I didn't feel good at all. Like a million of thoughts, millions of thoughts. And I just shut down. Like it was very difficult for me to move out of bed. And then I went downstairs. I washed my face, I freshened up, I brushed my teeth. I came upstairs and I had a little bit of water. And my table was a mess. It still is a partial mess, but this much stuff, I don't know. I feel there's too much stuff on my table, okay? Um, so I removed the excess things and placed it on my bed right now in front of me. And I decided to talk to you because these days I am unable to journal. I'm unable to take time to journal, read, do those things. When I say these days, it's been a while, okay? So whenever I decide I'll have a me time, which is something I do, like reading, journaling, to do listing, praying, I'm only able to to do list and pray, and my to do lists are endless. Like it spans over pages together, which is crazy. So yeah, I thought I'll talk because this is way better than journaling and at least I can express myself. So yesterday I was contemplating if something is off with me and I realized that it probably is. There have been highs and lows very frequently these days where I basically just shut myself out. I haven't been very talkative with my friends and family as well, and this has been a trait or a thing which I do for almost 6 years now. So it's been like 4 years plus another 2 years, so 6 years, and I really don't know. Something is off, so I have to like get it checked. So I will figure out what to do about it. But that was what I wanted to share. I mean, it doesn't feel normal. Something is off. I know I've been saying this so much because I know the difference, okay? I know the energetic me, I know the productive me, but now I just feel like bummed out. I just feel very low and crappy, and I just feel like what's my purpose in this world vibe. But with that being said and done, I've also been very consistent with my content creation. Of course, I've already edited, vlogged, scheduled everything for the next 1 month, which means when I say 1 month till May 1st, everything is done. So now I have to be someone who mindfully figures out how to do the rest of it. And I realized one more thing. Okay, I've been very that person who associates themselves with the number of people who are reaching my channel, who have been commenting, basically the numbers. So I used to never do that. I used to never focus on the numbers, okay? I used to do my job and let it be. I used to be creative, I used to put my content out there, and I would just let it be. But now I am so focused on who are viewing, how many comments I'm getting, and all the engagement and stuff. And it's really been stressing me out because that is not something I was really focused at. The whole idea of Instagram and YouTube was not to get paid, not to get collabs, not to get PR. If it happens organically, naturally, and if brands actually like me, I'll be very happy about it. But it's not something that was the primary focus. The primary focus was to create, was to make a difference in this world. So, yes, yesterday I was having a conversation with my cousin, and it felt so good talking to her for like 45 ish minutes. I was just so set, like everything was so clear. After that call I realized that my brain like my mind and my soul and everything else needs some direction, needs some ear to hear. And I think that's exactly what I'm looking for. And I also got this clarity that content creation for me on my primary the first YouTube channel is all about clean food, clean beauty, and minimalist lifestyle. When I say clean food, I mean to say healthy food. When I say minimalist lifestyle, I mean something which is me, like very me coded, or a lifestyle not too which is not supposed to be too overwhelming. It's supposed to be something soft, aesthetic, my vibes. And when I say clean beauty, I mean to say like minimalist beauty, not like too many products, not like over applying something, making something look very unnatural. And yeah, that's what I want to build around my channel, and that clarity I got yesterday. And people who come in on my first channel should be someone who wants their life to feel more soft, more pleasant, more aesthetic. And I want them to also understand that I am on my weight loss journey, and I want them also to be doing things which make them happy and also lose weight. You know what I mean? So, my goal on my first channel and has to be to help people lose weight and also feel beautiful. And that's why I speak about beauty, and that's why I speak about all these things, food, like lifestyle. So building a life around someone or something which makes you feel beautiful, happy, nice, and someone who loses weight, is healthy, and also feels pretty. That's the vibe, that's the idea of the channel number one. Now, channel number two, this one, okay, is all about me and my journey, my vlogs, my thoughts, because I really have realized that I am not in my element sometimes. I've been very off the wagon, like I said. I feel low. I feel like I don't want to talk to anyone. Not been talking to my friends, my family. I only literally just talk to you guys. Like, I talk to you guys because I feel good here. I feel heard. I know people are watching. I know people are actually engaging. I feel good about it. When I say engaging, I mean you guys are reaching out to me in the comments. It feels good, okay? And quite honestly, on channel number two, I haven't been watching the numbers. I just come over here and post. And these days, I have this crazy thing where I have been so obsessed with editing, and it's kind of making me not post. So I realized that I should just have a balance between everything. It's about showing up to record. It's about editing it to the maximum best way possible. It doesn't have to be like super perfect, like one of those professional editors or something. I just try to edit in the best possible way, and I'm trying to figure out how to edit long videos, but it's not working for me. I have to figure something out for that. I will see. But everything is not just about getting the perfect video, perfect edits and stuff. It's more about showing up. It's more about being consistent. It's the connect that we have that matters. And yeah, that. So all of this is going on, and in the next 7 or 10 days, it is my close friend slash sister's wedding, and I'm a bit jittery for that also because I do not have outfits, and whatever outfits I have, I'm not sure if they'll fit or not. So see, there's so much going on, so I really have to open them, try them, get them ironed because they're already washed and kept, but maybe even dry clean and iron, I'm not sure. There's so much to do, and I really need to go get myself a good pair of chappal, like shoes. I mean, what do you call them? Flats or heels? I think heels would do. I want something comfy. I want something traditional, which looks good on my feet, also gives me a little bit of height, extra height. That's what I'm looking for. I really need shoes. So that's one thing to shop. And although I'm on the no buy and low buy thing, this is very important for me because I really want to, get that height in. Again, it's linked to an insecurity. Please don't judge me for this. So I am 5'5", okay? 5 feet, 5 inches. And because of my fate and my body being like obese and fat, I have been looking a little short for my height. So I want to wear heels so that at least it looks good. Now I know it's so difficult for me to put these words together and tell you, but that's how I've been feeling, and it's not a nice feeling. These days, even one of my close friends has been motivating me to lose weight, but it's on in a way of fat shaming, and I'm really not liking it. It feels like it just feels like another person in my family who just fat shames me and hopes that that'll help me lose weight. But honestly, that doesn't help me lose weight at all. It just makes me eat more, stress more, feel more bad about myself. It's affecting my mental health and I'm going mad. So yeah, all of this is going on, and I just realized that this has been more of a venting session, and I probably should have just written in my journal, but I really did not have the courage to just lift that pen. Not even the courage, actually. The amount of energy required to lift a pen, get the book, and start writing wasn't there. So I thought I'll just film this and share this with you. I think I'm gonna cut this video right here because it's already close to like 10 minutes, and we have to work on every single point which I've mentioned. And I hope I'll see you in like another day with a better part or better story slash vlog. Then again, see, I'm already telling myself that this is a bad one, so that's not how it's supposed to be. But my mind is just very, very effed up right now, so please don't mind. Let me just, I don't know, figure it out. And I think, wait. Why am I so negative right now? I mean, honestly, I think, see, I let's focus on the positives before I leave. First things first, I thank the universe and God for helping me wake up today. It's a new day and I have new opportunities, so I have to obviously make the best of it. First things first, I get to work, so I will obviously be opening my laptop in some time. And I always get the chance to be productive. I have access to resources which can help me upskill and better myself. So I'll invest time in that. I love to color. So I'm gonna color today. I'm gonna read because I'm a reader. I will get to do a little bit of sticker work and a little bit of junk journaling today because so what if I cannot write? I will obviously be able to stick some pictures and cute emojis and stickers just to feel good. So I can do that. And of course, I will edit this video and post this today itself. I will also clean out my content because that's something I have to do. Whatever content has been sitting and just holding space on all my digital devices need to go online, need to go up on live. So I will work on that. So I have so many things to do and now it feels okay. So yeah, I will focus on all of this and I will see you guys on another part of the vlog and on another day. Thank you so much for listening to my rant. I love you all. I always have and always will love you. I hope you guys are finding some value out of my content. And if you do, please do like my video. Please subscribe to my YouTube channel and support me because your support means the world to me. I'm forever grateful for all of you hustlers. Let's do this together. Let's figure out life together. And I will share all of my journey with you, which probably would help you also take steps or motivate you or whatsoever. So, yeah, that's it. Share with your friends and family if you think this resonates and would help. With that, I'm ending this video. See you in the next one. Bye bye and lots of love.